How to clean leather car seats. Hey everyone! Imagine this, you just bought a car with beautiful leather seats, or maybe you've had yours for a while. At first, they looked sleek, smelled amazing, and felt luxurious. But over time, life happens. Coffee spills, dirt from your jeans, sunscreen stains, and even just natural oils from your hands start making those seats look dull and worn out. But don't worry, today, I'm going to show you how to properly clean and protect your leather seats so they stay looking brand new for years to come. Whether you've got a high-end luxury ride or a daily commuter, taking care of your leather isn't just about looks, it's about keeping your car's value high and making every drive feel like a first-class experience. In this video, we'll cover everything you need, from choosing the right cleaning products to step-by-step techniques for deep cleaning and conditioning. Plus, I'll share expert tips to prevent cracks, fading, and long-term damage. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning the seats and conditioning the seats. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Cleaning the seats. Number 1. Check to see if your car seats have any perforated areas. If so, take care not to get water, cleanser, or conditioner stuck down into the holes. Consult your car manual. Before you clean or apply any products, refer to your car's owner's manual. There should be specific instructions on how to properly care for the leather upholstery, as well as products to avoid. Number 2. Vacuum the seats. Use a vacuum hose and attachment or wet-dry vac to suck up any large particles of dirt. Use extreme care so you don't scratch the leather. You could also use an air compressor to blow out dirt from in between the seat cracks. Number 3. Remove surface dirt. If your seats are really dirty, you'll be able to see a layer of grime on the leather. However, even seemingly clean seats will have a layer of dirt and grime that's accumulated over time. Spray a microfiber towel with cleaner and wipe over the seats. Use leather cleaner, saddle soap, or another mild leather soap. You can use a commercial cleaner for leather seats or make your own. Combine 1 part white vinegar and 2 parts linseed oil in a bowl or spray bottle. Number 4. Use a brush to deep clean the leather. Spray the cleaner directly onto your seats and use a soft bristled brush to gently scrub the leather. This will agitate the dirt and bring it to the surface. If you have perforated leather seats, avoid spraying cleaner onto the seats. Instead, spray the bristle brush and use it to scrub the leather. Then, wipe dry with a microfiber cloth. Number 5. Wipe the seats clean. Use a clean and dry microfiber cloth to wipe off the cleaning agent that you scrubbed into the leather. You should notice dirt, oil, and grime on the cloth. Number 6. Regularly clean your seats. While you should lightly clean your seats every month or so, try to deep clean your seats 3 to 4 times a year. You may want to do this more often if you have light-colored leather or if you begin to notice grime building up. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Conditioning the seats. Number 1. Choose a water-based, pH-neutral conditioner. Look for a high-quality leather conditioner that does not contain petroleum distillates, silicone, or waxes. The goal of the conditioner is to replenish the natural oils in the leather, so choose one with top-quality ingredients. Cheaper leather conditioners may cling to the leather and have a greasy finish. Number 2. Perform a spot test. Choose an inconspicuous area and apply a little conditioner. Gently rub it in using a microfiber cloth or sponge. Make sure the cleaner doesn't damage or discolor your seats. Number 3. Condition your seats. Apply the conditioner to the seats and use a microfiber cloth or sponge to gently massage or rub it into the leather. Avoid applying too much conditioner, which will sit on top of the leather, making the seats greasy or slick. If in doubt, take a clean, dry microfiber cloth and lightly wipe over the conditioned seats to remove any excess conditioner. Be sure to follow the product directions. Number 4. Park your car in the shade or in your garage overnight. Give the conditioner some time out of the sun so it has a chance to set in without the bombardment of UV light. Let the conditioner sit for at least 1 hour. Number 5. Use a microfiber cloth to buff the seats. Once the conditioner has had a chance to soak into the leather, take a clean, dry microfiber cloth and polish the seats. Use circular motions and take care to wipe up excess conditioner. Don't overcondition your leather seats. Most seats only need conditioning treatment a few times a year. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Cleaning and conditioning your vehicle's leather seats doesn't take long and should be repeated at least every 3 months. 2. Cleaning the seats is also a necessary step in detailing your car, particularly the interior. Warnings. 1. Avoid using a household cleaner on your leather seats, even if it's diluted. The chemicals in such a cleaner will dry out the leather, causing it to crack and even tear. It can also strip the protective coating, which will cause fading and open the leather up to staining. 2. Avoid contact between certain cleaners and other parts of the car. Depending on the chemical and the part of the car, the chemical can cause damage. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.